Disney Channel for your paid support for this video. I'm Annie LeBlanc and this is my sister, Haley. Disney Channel is hosting a zombie spirit challenge and I thought it'd be really fun to participate by doing green zombified slime for Team Zom. I'm going to be doing pink cheerleader slime for Team Pom. For those of you who don't know, Zombies is the new Disney Channel original movie. It's full of amazing dancing and music, and we cannot wait to watch it on Friday, February 16th at 8 p.m. on the Disney Channel. So let's make the slime.
Stop. Parenting moment. Kids, go get your parents. Don't ever make slime by yourself. And parents, don't let your kids make slime without you present. And make it on a nice, clean, safe surface.
Oh, okay. We got glue. The zombies glue. Zombie glue. So pretty much all we're gonna do is pour the glue in. The glue, you open it. What? While she's opening it, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the movie. So Zombies is a music and dance-filled story about a regular high school. You wanna pour that? Yeah. Okay. About a regular high school with traditions and cheerleading and football until zombies finally get to attend a real human high school. Crazy, right? If you can imagine, they kind of struggle to coexist with each other until Zed, the football player, and Addison, the cheerleader, meet.
Annie, why did you choose Team Zom?
So the reason I chose Team Zom is because I feel like most people can relate about being the new kid at their school on the first day of school.
Haley, why did you choose Team Pom?
Well, the reason I'm on Team Pom is because I love pink, first of all, and cheerleaders just seem like they're regular people at a regular school. Okay, Annie, how would you feel if a zombie showed up to your school?
Well, I mean, I guess my first reaction would be like, wow, I'm like really scared they're gonna eat my brains, but it really depends if the zombie's cute or not, if you know what I mean. Okay, Haley, how would you feel if a zombie showed up at your school?
Scared and I'd run. Well, I'm gonna make the perfect color pink for Team Pom because they're gonna be proud of me.
Okay, what's your plan to impress the zombies?
So, I don't get eaten. I'm going to impress the zombies with my perfect green. So, I'm gonna put some food coloring in here.
I think this
It's coming
pretty good.
kinda together.
I think I
This
need
is what
all
it looks
of
like right now.
That's nice.
So, I'm gonna put some food coloring in there.
Okay, that's a lot of food coloring.
I'm adding more food coloring because it's fun.
My green's coming along. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more stuff in it. I'm gonna make a little zombie.
I'm gonna make a cheerleader.
This is my attempt for a zombie. If you want to show your zombie spirit, go to disney.com/zombie spirit challenge.
And check out some of the cool things you can do.
Here are a few ideas to get you started. Wear green hair.
Show your zombie style.
Got a zombie cheer?
Do you actually have a zombie cheer?
I do.
Let's go zombies. Let's go zombies. And
Show a draggy leg pose.
make green slime.
Eat some green.
Zombify your nails.
Haley, what do you think it'd be like to meet a zombie?
To like actually talk to them.
Yeah. Do you think that'd
I'd
be
be
like really nice?
I mean, some of them. I mean, I don't know. Well, what do you think it would be?
I feel like it'd be a really cool kind of experience unless they eat my brains.
Oh, okay.
That would not be great.
Would you ever like actually meet, like, be friends with a zombie?
Of course, because I like meeting, you know, new people. Because it's really fun because you should be friends with anyone no matter what, so.
I'm gonna add some glitter. Your green slime is like the same color as your green shirt. It's so pretty, I love it.
Okay, adding some glitter to my slime.
Oh.
Here we go. Add both, that's pretty.
That's pretty.
I'm gonna add some of it at the end. Look at mine.
That's so pretty.
Welcome to Zombieland. It's a party, go ahead, everybody dance. Do the draggy leg. You surely can be a part of the
Okay, guys, let's see what you got.
So here's our final product. So I'm pretty sure that we got the perfect Zom green and
Pink.
I think it looks really good, but I think Haley kind of did it a little better.
Yours is more stretchier.
Yeah, but
Mine's
yours is like pink. Yours is like a perfect color pink. Let's take some pictures for the contest.
So what would you guys say Zombies is about?
Zombies is about people coming together and learning to accept each other.
Which is why I thought it'd be a really fun idea to mix the green and the pink slime together and see what color it makes.
Okay.
Gonna do it? And go like that.
And
then go like that.
And then mix.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay,
we're gonna mix until it comes together.
Okay.
Go.
Some motion in it.
Here we go. More. That's good. That's good. Coming together is hard,
But definitely not impossible.
Zoms and Poms are united. It's really pretty.
So it really just goes to show that anyone can come together despite their differences. Thank you all so much for watching. I think our slime came out pretty well.
It's pretty good. I like it.
Oh.
This is a paid sponsorship by Disney.
I just want to remind you to make sure that you tune in on Friday, February 16th at 8 p.m. on Disney Channel to see the premiere of Zombies. Bye guys, see you next time. Thanks for watching.